Here's the hot tweet of the day. What do we got? Oh my God. It's up to 758,000 likes now, 92,000 retweets, and 3,000 quote tweets. Here we go. How TF a computer gonna ask me if I'm a robot, comma, MF, you are the robot. Crying emoji face. Can I get a review on this hot tweet, Will?
That's very hot.
That's the measurement, hot or not? I mean, it's obviously hot.
Yeah.
It's amazing to me. I sort of follow along these emerging popular tweets, and they seem to have some sort of characteristic in common. They have to feel really casual, like not a lot of thought went into it, but then they have to have a quality which is an extra second of thinking about it. If they have both of those things, and typically an emoji as well, crying face is probably popular. And then another thing they always seem to have is a rearrangement of what's capitalized and not. Often the sentence will not start with a capital. However, capitals can show up at a later time. These seem to be the characteristics. Anyway, in this case, the part that's supposed to make you think is, how can a robot ask you if you're a robot? That's the part you're supposed to think about. And also, why do I have to answer to you, robot, if I'm a robot or not a robot? How dare you? So it is an odd question that we've all just become comfortable with. That moment when you have to do the little puzzle to prove when you submit something. It's weird that we all got comfortable with the idea of it's suggesting that you're a robot. How about just say verify yourself, verify verify that you're a human. I think some of them do say that.
Oh yeah,
I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I think so. Okay. I think so. But anyway, it's your hot tweet of the day. I don't know. You guys can rate it yourselves. Rank it. Yeah. How hot is it? Is it almost 1 million like hot? I mean, I guess it is. But
I think it's pretty good.
All right, there you go.